I decided to try different pouring mediums, so some were from previous pours and some I mixed up. I think there's Floetrol in here, there's Artist Loft pouring medium, there's I think a Sargent medium, I'm not sure what else, but yeah, there's like a real mix. And I think I even put some Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint, and then other ones were like craft paint. So because it had so many different things, it really cracked. I know it's not really the result most people are going for with it, that cracking, but for this particular piece, I feel like it actually kind of adds to it. It adds some character. So, and like feels all textury and stuff. So it's kind of a fun piece in a way. Thanks for watching.